Dear students, now we can do some problems on Laplace transforms. First question, find the Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 3t. We cannot find the Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 3t, but we know that Laplace transform of sin at or cos at, etc. So, we can change sin 3t cos 3t such that 2 sin at cos at sin bt sin at cos bt equal to sin 2 sin a cos b or 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a you know the formulas of sin a plus b and sin a minus b, then then add these two, then you will get 2 sin a cos b. Then from that formula we can write sin a cos b equal to sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b divided by 2. So that we can find Laplace transform of sin 3t cos 2t as equal to 1 by Laplace transform of sin 5t plus sin t by 2. Now, constant can be taken outside, that is equal to 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of sin 5t plus sin t. What is Laplace transform of sin 5t? Sin at, Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. Here 5 is the constant. So we Laplace transform of sin phi t equal to 5 by s square plus phi square. And sin t means sin 1t. And Laplace transform of sin 1t equal to 1 by s square plus 1 square. Now simplifying, you will get 3 into s square plus 5 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. Taking LCM as s square plus 25 into s square plus 1 and solving, you will get this answer. Now second question is, find Laplace transform of sin square 3t. You know that sin square 3t equal to 1 minus cos 6t by 2. So, instead of finding Laplace transform of sin square 3t, you have to find the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 6t by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 can be taken outside, 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of 1 minus Laplace transform of 6t. What is Laplace transform of 1? We have already proved that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Minus Laplace transform of 6t is s by s square plus 6 square, that is 36. Now simplifying, you will get 18 by s into s square plus 36. 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2 is there. Now next problem, Laplace transform of sin 3t into sin 9t. Here sin a sin b, it is half of sin a minus b minus sin a plus b. Sin a minus b and what is sin a minus cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b by 2. What is cos a minus b? Cos 3t minus 9t, that is cos minus 6t. Now cos minus theta is cos theta, therefore we can write 1 by 2 into cos 6t minus cos a plus b, cos 3t plus 90, that is cos 12t. Now find Laplace transform of cos 6t. What is Laplace transform of cos 6t? s by s square plus 6 square minus Laplace transform of cos 12t equal to, here a is constant is 12 s by s square plus a square, that is 12 square. And simplifying, you will get 54s by s square plus 6 square into s square plus 12 square. You know how to simplify by taking LCM. You will get this answer. Now find the Laplace transform of 3 e raised to 5t plus t plus 2 the whole square plus 2 cos 3t. Laplace transform of 3 e raised to 5t plus t plus 2 the whole square plus 2 cos 3t equal to, by using linearity property of Laplace transforms, we can write this as 3 into Laplace transform of 5t plus Laplace transform of t square plus 4t plus 4 plus 2 into Laplace transform of cos 3t. That is equal to 3 into Laplace. What is Laplace transform of e raised to 5t? Laplace transform of e raised to 5t is 1 by s minus 5. Laplace transform of e raised to 8t you have already studied, that is 1 by s minus 8. Here 1 by s minus 5. Now Laplace transform of t square. What is Laplace transform of t raised to n? N factorial by s raised to n plus 1. Here Laplace transform of 2 square is 2 factorial by s cube plus 4 into Laplace transform of t, that is 4 into 1 by s. Here t raised to 1, that is 4 into 1 by s. And what is Laplace transform of 4? That is 4 into Laplace transform of 1, that is 4 into 1 by s. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. What is Laplace transform of cos 3t? 2 into s by s square plus a square, that is s by s square plus a is 3. 3 square 9, that's 9. That is, you will get the answer as 3 by s minus 5 plus 2 by s cube plus 4 by s square plus 4 by s plus 2s by s square plus 9. Now next problem. Find the Laplace transform of sin at plus b. You know that a and b are constants. Sin at plus b equal to sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here sin at cos b plus cos at sin b, that is equal to cos. Now Laplace transform of sin at plus b equal to cos b into, cos b is a constant so it can be taken outside, cos b into Laplace transform of sin at plus, here Laplace transform of sin b into cos at. Then sin b can be taken outside, sin b into Laplace transform of cos at, that is equal to cos b into Laplace transform of sin at is a by s square plus a square plus sin b into Laplace transform of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. And LCM is s square plus a square, and you will get the answer as a cos b plus s sin b by s square plus a square. More problems we have to do, that will be discussed in the next class. Okay.